this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
Hey people! Today we explore the 2 Asian countries that is serious with their instant noodles. First time I try Buldak regular spicy from Korea. Inside we have 2 pockets of ingredients, the toppings, and the dreaded spicy sauce. I have already tried other instant noodles from Korea, and they never fail to give you fat and chunky bites of noodles. The toppings consist of tiny pieces of seaweed and sesame seed. Sad, no bites of meat or dehydrated vegetables. I put a little amount of that spicy sauce. But look how red the noodles came out when mixed. Wow! I have been eating mee goreng from Indonesia as a substitute from my pancit canton fixed, which is from the Philippines. Inside, it also have 2 pockets of ingredients but divided into 4 secret flavorings. As you can see, mee goreng is like the angel hair pasta of instant noodles. When cooked too much, it becomes soggy. I never knew what the main powder includes, but it gives really good MSG taste. The oil that includes something like peppery, I think, and that dark looking like oyster sauce but thicker. And the 4th secret powder flavor is the chili powder, but I never use them. All the time, the dark sauce doesn't incorporate well in all the noodles. After a couple of minutes, the buldak gets dry quick, while the mee goreng still has that slick noodle state. Let's taste and rate these noodles. As expected, Korean instant noodles never fail to give that big noodle when you bite, but sadly, it lacks flavor, and all I can taste is how spicy the red sauce is, and no other texture when you bite. When the Indonesian brand is bursting with MSG flavors, but as always, it lacks in chunky noodle goodness. Never go wrong when paired with hard-boiled egg. Let me just tweak the buldak and put leftover minced meat on it. That gives the texture. I say both have tasty qualities to give, but lacks in other aspects. But whatever, who doesn't love eating instant noodles when you're lazy to prepare a real meal? Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!